We want the most efficient cooling when we opt for chillers. But with time, we are all faced with towering electricity bills and reduced cooling capacity. Let us look at what goes wrong. As outside temperature increases and hot air finds its way inside the chiller, the electricity consumption increases and the cooling capacity decreases. What is the solution? We bring to you the Munters EC Cool. This will be installed over the face of the condenser side from top to bottom. Chiller condenser is 100% safe from pollutants, water, corrosion and direct sunlight. Here is how it works. Water is filled in the EC Cool tank and distributed with a pump. This water is then absorbed by the pads when the EC Cool is switched on. Here on the psychometric chart, you can see that after using Munters EC Cool, you will get a reduction in temperature of 14 degrees centigrade at given ambient temperature, that is 46 degrees centigrade. As hot air enters Munters EC Cool, its cell deck cools the air down. The control panels of EC Cool can sense air temperature, ambient relative humidity and chiller operations to supply the exact amount of water as required. This reduces water wastage. Here you can see the differences in both the chillers. Munters EC Cool is a low-maintenance, simple plug-and-play system that requires very little space, keeps your terrace dry and hygienic, avoiding mold formation. The Munters cell deck works efficiently without external misters and comes with anti-scale coating, which is self-cleaning. Because of the low bleed-off rate, when the EC Cool is attached, a lot of water gets recycled. Munters EC Cool is your best cooling solution.